Monkey buy computer. Monkey press power button. Nothing happened. Monkey confused. Monkey gives banana to computer. Still nothing happened. Why? Because monkey forget operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is middle monkey between monkey and computer. Monkey say, open banana browser. Operating system translate monkey request into computer language. Without operating system, computer just expensive glowing rock. Operating system control everything. Monkey open banana browser. Operating system handle it. Monkey play monkey music. Operating system handle it. Monkey download suspicious free movie called Totally Not Virus 4. Operating system regret existing. So, there are many operating systems. Most famous are Windows, Mac, and Linux. Windows is like big monkey shopping mall. Easy to use, lots of games, lots of apps. But sometimes Windows decide monkey need update right now during important banana mission. Monkey cry. Mac is shiny monkey computer for rich monkeys. Everything smooth, everything clean. Monkey pay extra 400 leaves for wheel accessory. Then there Linux. Linux is strange jungle operating system made by giant tribe of programmer monkeys. Linux monkeys very powerful. Linux monkeys also very scary. Linux monkey open black terminal window and suddenly entire internet obey them. Why monkeys use Linux? Linux free, Linux fast, Linux customizable. Monkey can change almost everything. Monkey can even remove desktop completely and stare directly into darkness through terminal. What is terminal? Terminal is magic monkey cave where monkey types strange words to control computer. Instead of clicking banana pictures, monkey type commands like sudo apt install banana. Computer immediately start doing monkey business. Monkey feel powerful. Monkey also accidentally deletes system folder and destroys civilization. Linux has something called distributions, distros. Distros are different versions of Linux made by different monkey tribes. Ubuntu is friendly beginner monkey Linux. Arch Linux is for sleep-deprived monkeys who enjoy suffering. Kali Linux make monkey feel like hacker in movie after typing 2 commands. Linux also runs huge part of internet. Monkey watch monkey videos online? Linux server probably sending those bananas across internet cables right now. Monkey use Android phone? Android secretly Linux wearing disguise. But Linux not perfect. Sometimes monkey spend 9 hours fixing Wi-Fi driver just to open calculator app. Linux monkeys call this fun. What is kernel? Kernel is most important part of operating system. Kernel is monkey boss of computer. Kernel talk directly to hardware. Monkey click banana video. Kernel tells CPU, RAM, storage, and screen monkeys what to do. Without kernel, computer components just screaming at each other in electronic panic. CPU is monkey brain. RAM is monkey short-term memory. Storage is giant banana warehouse. Operating system coordinate all monkey workers so computer no explode. Why programmers love Linux? Because Linux give monkey full control. Monkey automate things. Monkey run servers. Monkey write code. Monkey pretend to be cybersecurity expert after installing green hacker theme. But new monkey should not fear Linux. Linux only scary because Linux monkeys type things like grep, awk, pipe, sudo, chmod, systemctl, daemon, kernel, bash, shell, runtime package dependency, while sounding completely normal. At end of day, operating system just manager for computer. Windows, friendly monkey manager. Mac, expensive monkey manager. Linux, chaotic wizard monkey manager. And remember, if monkey type sudo rm-rf/, monkey no longer have operating system. Monkey now have toaster. Thanks for watching BananaCore. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. Every week, we break down another piece of technology. Remember, every expert was once just another confused monkey. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.